In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use inline emojis in Google Docs. Emojis are a great way to add a dash of personality to your documents, making them more engaging and fun. Whether you're creating a document for work, school, or personal use, incorporating emojis can help clarify your message or bring a bit more emotion into your text. Let's walk through this simple process together so you can start adding emojis to your Google Docs today. First, open a new tab in your web browser and search for Google Docs. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your Google account if you're not already signed in. This will take you to the Google Docs homepage where you can access your existing documents or start a new one. Now that you're logged in, you have the option to either open an existing document or create a new one. In this tutorial, feel free to open any document you'd like to practice with, or go ahead and start fresh with a new one. Once your document is open, we can start adding those emojis. To insert an emoji, begin by typing the @ symbol followed by the word emoji, then hit Enter. Doing this brings up a menu full of emojis for you to choose from. This menu includes a wide variety of categories and options, so you should be able to find the perfect emoji to express your thoughts. Alternatively, there's another way to insert emojis that might be quicker, especially if you have a specific one in mind. You can type a colon followed directly by the name of the emoji you want to use. For example, typing cat will bring up the menu with the options related to cats. This method is particularly useful if you're familiar with emoji names and want to quickly insert a specific one. Once you've decided on the emoji you wish to use, simply click on it from the menu, and it will be inserted into your document at the point where your cursor is located. Take a moment to admire your handiwork and consider how this small addition might enhance your message or provide a visual emphasis to your text. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to incorporate emojis into your Google Docs effortlessly. By using either the @emoji command or the colon method, you can now spice up your documents with ease. Remember, while emojis are a fun tool, it's important to use them appropriately depending on your audience and the nature of your document. Thanks for joining me today, and happy emojiing!